Welcome to Mars in Cyprus. आप सब लोग को खुशामदीद. Today I'm going to make fish. You can see the fish. So this fish is labyrinth. It's a Mediterranean fish, and we are going to make it in oven. So what we need for it, I'll tell you the ingredients. You will need onion, dill, lemon, and for marination I'm using wild bird sauce. To give some touch of spices, I will be using jerk sauce, Jamican, and balsamic vinegar. So these are the ingredients you need to make your lovely fish. So we will slice our onion as you see, like this. So we are slicing it. So once they are sliced, you will take 3 or 4 dills, and of course you need to wash them a little bit. So you take some dill, slice them also, take the leaves off. You don't have to use the stems, just the leaves of dill. Here you go. So that's it. This is also very much available in the Mediterranean region, right? So here we have our beautiful lemon. I'm calling it lemon because here we call it lemon, but it's lemon, of course. You can have some difficulties in understanding my accent, but I have to do it because we will be eating fish like this with head and tail. In Pakistan, from the region I belong, we don't eat fish with head and tail. So that's why all my video is in English, so my foreign viewers can understand it. So the second stage is, once you have cleaned your fish from inside, you are going to put, first thing you need is 1 small spoon of salt. So we will be moving the salt in and out on the mouth and the tail. We will be putting it in there, right, with your hands, but be careful because you can hurt yourself. So when the salt is here, I'm not putting much salt. Why? Because in our jerk sauce we have all the salts with it. So once it's done, then you will take your jerk sauce, and for the jerk sauce you will be using the brush. So you will be brushing your fish with the Jamaican spices. So you put your jerk sauce here, just a little bit, not much, I'm telling you, not much. So you will coat your jerk sauce in here. You will be using the brush to marinate your fish using the jerk sauce from inside and outside. So this is going to help you a lot. It's better you put more in it. So this is how you use the brush to put your jerk sauce, Jamaican jerk sauce, on your fish. Next, you will take little bit of American garlic, just little bit, not much, because I don't want to, I want to taste fish, not the sauces. So fish taste is very important, but of course this marination is going to give you a lovely taste of the sauces with the fish. So you are going to put it with your marination sauce here. the last thing you're going to do is you will put little balsamic vinegar on your sauce. So move it around, move it around, move it around. Is there, right? Lovely, lovely. So that's the whole marination thing. Now, what else is left? We are going to put the deli in there. So you will fill the inside of the sauce of the fish with onions and with the lemon. Put some more deli there. That's it. This is how you have filled your sauce, and you have filled your fish with sauce, onions, deli, and lemon, right? So that's it. This is your whole marination is done now. We will be putting it in the foil for the marination. And here we go. We take the tray. Always put the foil above the tray so it doesn't stick with it, right? Where's your other stuff? And you are going to roll it in your tin foil. So here you go. Now you can leave your fish for at least 2 to 3 hours for the marination, and then we will heat up our oven and put it in there, and it will be ready in a few minutes, right? So just leave it for some time. So guys, for 3 hours I put my fish in the refrigerator after putting some sauces on it for marination, and now I'm getting my tray ready for the oven. I mentioned earlier that we will be using the olive oil. This is pure Cypriot olive oil, and you just have to put your oil like this so your fish doesn't stuck on it or stick to it. So you just do it like this. Some fairness will be there. There's only one fish, so I don't have to move around a lot. So this is the place where I'm going to place my fish here, and then I will be taking it out. So after 3 hours in the marination sauce, you can see the fish. I will be putting this fish and placing it here. You see, some lemons and lemons stuff. And one more thing, what I love to do is to put little bit of, you can say just a pinch of. I just take my hand, just a little pinch of black pepper. Open it. And I will put my black pepper here. So just a little bit of black pepper. You don't have to put more, because just to taste a little bit. That's it. So your stuff is ready now. And lastly, to cover the place more. So it's ready now. Now you will preheat your oven at 245 degrees centigrade, and you will cook this fish for about 50 minutes, and it will be ready. I am going to put it in the oven, and I will show you how it looks after 50 minutes. Sizzling, sizzling. Beautiful fish. Grilled fish. Ready to eat.